Hello everyone, I'm your host Shiraz Ahmad Khan. Viewers, in today's video, we are going to learn that how to record the video lectures offline by using the Zoom app so that later on we can share those video lectures with our audience through WhatsApp groups or by uploading them on our YouTube channel. So first of all, launch the Zoom app wherever it is located onto your computer systems. In my case, its icon is placed on the desktop. So double click onto that icon. The Zoom app is finally launched and it's in front of us. Through this screen, we can schedule a meeting for our audience, or we can join a meeting if we are a student or if we are a trainee, or thirdly, we can record the video lectures through this. Viewers, for that purpose, click onto the very first option from the left side, that is New Meeting. Click onto it, and after some processing it will show us this screen, and you are using the computer audio as well. In your case, it will prompt you that do you want to join this with your audio. So check mark that box and click the join with audio option. Now let's focus on to the options, and before focusing, let's enter into the full screen mode of this Zoom app. From the left side, you can mute your audio device. You can share your video by click and choose this icon once. It will start sharing your video with your audience. Moving on, the most important options from onto this screen are these four. The mute button if you don't want to record your audio, the start video button, and from this side we have the record option with us, and we have the share screen. Viewers, while recording the videos offline, obviously we want to share our voice. Secondly, we want to share our screen as well, because something will be displayed on our screens, and along with that we want to record our audio voice with it as well. So for that purpose, click the share screen option. It will show another window, and from that window make sure that both of these options are checked. Share computer sound, check mark it, and optimize screen sharing for video clips, check mark it as well. And make sure that screen option is selected, that is by default selected, and finally click the share button. Now we have entered into the another mode of Zoom app. Now the screen is changed and the app's behavior is changed as well. We have successfully, so far we have successfully shared our audio, and we have successfully shared our screens with our audience, but the recording is yet to be started. One more thing, that you won't be able to see anything else, and in order to view more options that we were working with previously before sharing our screens, in order to make them visible, you'll have to move your mouse pointer so that it should start touching the top corner of your computer screen. Automatically these options will pop down, and I'll come back to these options after some time, but first thing that you should learn is to how to make them visible. Now viewers, you can share the stuff with the audience through any media. It could be a document, it could be an Excel sheet, it could be a PowerPoint slideshow as well. So for this video, let's focus on to the PowerPoint slides, and let's open any of the already saved PowerPoint file and start the slideshow before starting, even before you start recording the video. Now the slideshow, it's occupying the whole screen. In order to switch to the Zoom app, the shortcut key is Alt Tab. It will allow us to switch in between different applications. So Press Alt Tab once, release the Tab key and keep pressing the Alt key alone. And now press the Tab key again. And when you are sure that Zoom app is selected, release both of these keys. It will display the Zoom app in front of us. Now again move the mouse pointer to the so that it should start touching the top screen. And now this time go to the More icon and finally click the record button if you feel that you are ready for the recording purpose. Finally click this option, minimize Zoom app now, and now we have only the slide shows the first screen of the slideshow in front of us. Now you can navigate to the next slides one by one, and side by side you can whatever you will utter, all those sentences will be recorded along with the screen, and whatever is on the screen it will be recorded as well along with the sound of your mic. So whatever you do, it's being recorded by the Zoom app, and you can move to the next screens, next slides one by one, and whatever you are saying, it will be recorded by the Zoom app. When everything is done, end the slideshow by pressing the escape key, exit your PowerPoint, come back to the Zoom app again, and when everything is done, again go to the more options, and finally instead of pause recording or stop recording, straight away click the last option, that is end. It will show you this small dialog box, yes, and meeting for all, and now it will start converting this video into an MP4 format that can easily be shared or uploaded anywhere. And once this process will be done, automatically it will be opened. Do not ignore this path, otherwise you will forget it. So here we have the recording in different formats, and this is the last one is the required, uh, the desired format of this video that can be shared or that can be uploaded anywhere. You can check it by double clicking onto it, and here it's a proof that whatever we did, it was recorded by the Zoom app. And let's see its impact. Let's
This
see it in
option,
action. Look,
minimize Zoom
whatever
app
we
now,
did,
and now we have
we took
only
start and we
the
started
slide shows
sharing our
the first screen of the
slideshow with our
slideshow in
audience,
front of
and
us.
look,
Now you can
everything is being displayed here.
navigate to the
So it was just for a proof
next slide.
for you. Now exit this. So viewers, that's it for today. Today what we learned is that how to record a video offline by using the Zoom app. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and do not forget to like this video as well. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope to see you again. Goodbye everyone.